Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up, it looks like we have someone making some kind of candle holder. Now this is a really cool, easy project. I love the color scheme she did for that. Very pretty, so relaxing. Loving the vibe. So then we have someone making their own table tray here. So at first I thought that they were making an actual table, but then I realized that this is like a table tray. And they go in with these pretty pastel hues, blue, purple, and mint green. Very pretty, and there it is on the table. I love their apartment, their space. And then we have a lampshade DIY. So she's going to be using some jute for this. We see her picking it up from the store. Of course, the cat's trying to play with it. Wow, that came out great. Look at that. Very nice. So pretty. I have no idea what's going on in this particular video, but it's very satisfying to watch these colors. Now it looks like they might be making some type of table tray too. If you like the look of these, you should try this Ikea hack. So I have no idea what that is that they pulled out of that Ikea box, but it does have a rather unique shape. And she just pretty much painted them like nice little like pastel colors. Okay, what in the world? So we have a full fish bowl, a bunch of fish items. Are they doing like a Fairly Odd Parents lamp or something? This must be like their favorite show. Oh, that is what they're doing. Oh, that's cute. Wow. Oh, I love it. That's such a fun look, such a fun project. DIY basketball planter, but a little different. And this particular DIY is very popular on TikTok. Oh, that's cute. So she, instead of hanging it, she just kind of left it on the table. Another pedestal bowl. And looks like she's using it as a candle holder. Very nice. Now, what is this supposed to be? A vase of some sort? Not really sure. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.